Hello YouTube, Chachi is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about laptop lid open action missing from your power options in Windows operating system. You may have Windows 11, Windows 10 or other operating system. So let's see how can we solve this problem. So click here under the search icon and type here CMD. Then here the command prompt will appear, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Then it will ask you a confirmation, select yes. And here I have a command that I'm going to put it under the description box so you can find it there. Just copy this command, copy it, then paste it here. Then press enter. So we finished the process. Then close the CMD and restart your computer. So after the restart, now let us check the laptop lid open action missing is get back to the power option. So to check that, click here the search icon and type here control panel. So here the control panel, then open it. After that, if you find your control panel like this, well done. If you cannot find it, just go to the right top corner, view by, click the arrow and make it under large icons. Then you will find your power option here. Then open the power options. Then my computer is under balanced. You will be under high performance or anything. Just click the checked one, which is select change plan settings. Then click on change advanced power setting. So now let's check the laptop lid open action is get back or not. So scroll down and go here, click the plus sign under the power button in lid. And here lid open action is get back to your laptop or your computer. Then click here again the plus sign. So now you can click here the drop down arrow and you can turn on the display or do nothing based on your wish. So this is how you get back the lid open action on your computer. I hope this video helped you to solve your problem. If this video is helping you, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chachi out.